This is our new product, car inverter, and the power is 150 watts. Is specialized for the car. If you have the car, then can use it to charge. Then can connect with the phone to charge or to charge the small digital product. I will show you later about you how to connect with the battery and then charge the small digital product. Now I will show you about it. This is the front and this is the back, and this is the side about the socket and the USB output, and this is the clip. Now I will connect with the battery. This is the positive electrode, and this is the negative electrode. Now charge the car or charge the phone. You can see now the screen will carry. Okay, thanks. The light must be green, then it can work. Okay, thanks.